Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download VoiceMeeter Potato. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To download VoiceMeeter Potato, you can follow these steps. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and go to the VoiceMeeter website. You can find it by searching for VoiceMeeter in your preferred search engine. Once on the VoiceMeeter website, navigate to the Potato, then Downloads or Download. Click on the download link on the download section pop-up in the top right, then hit the file on its folder location, then hit install to begin downloading the VoiceMeeter Potato setup file to your PC. Depending on your internet connection speed, the download might take some time to complete. Be patient and wait for the download to finish. Once the installation is complete, now you have to reboot your system to finalize the installation. By following these steps, you can download and install VoiceMeeter Potato on your Windows PC. VoiceMeeter Potato is a powerful audio mixing application that allows you to control and manipulate audio streams on your PC. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.